Hello everyone, this is Beverly Black and I would like to say welcome to our channel today. I am so thankful that you came by, that you stopped by to check out and see what was going on today, because you didn't have to do it and I appreciate it. This is a short, quick video, but I had some bananas that were ripe and I didn't want to throw them away. So I decided to make some banana bread. So stay around so you can learn how to make banana bread. If this is your first time to this channel, I would like to say thank you and welcome. And I am so glad that you chose to stop by today. And if you would like, please hit that red subscription at the bottom so you can become a part of the family and get notifications. Hit that like button and hit to get notifications so you can get notified every time that I have a video coming out. But today we're going to make this banana bread. It's easy to make, it's not hard at all, and you will enjoy it. I've already put 2 cups of 2 cups of plain all-purpose flour and 1 cup of sugar. I'm getting mixed up on my ingredients today. I hope everybody's doing well. Next we're going to put all our dry ingredients together, and you will need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now if I can find where I have put my here they are. 2 teaspoons of baking soda goes into this. Now, to find the right one, there it is. And the this is baking powder. Let me get it right. Boy, I have something. That's right, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. Level it off, 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. Okay. It calls for 3/4 teaspoons of kosher salt, but I'm not putting it in today because I have to use butter in this, and all the butter I had was salted. So when you have salted butter, you don't need to put salt in. So I'm leaving the salt out. But it does call for 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. And here is the baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of this. Okay. And those are all the dry ingredients. So we're gonna mix them up together here so they'll be mixed well. And then we'll put the wet ingredients in another bowl and then combine them all. You don't need a mixer. Don't use a mixer on this bread. Preheat your hubby, Lord have mercy. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and use a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan to cook it in. Okay. Now we're going to, I have 4 bananas, and we're going to mix up the wet ingredients now. So these bananas, if you squeeze them already while they're still in here, it'll make it a lot easier. Just mash them up when you're taking them out of the peel to in order to mash them up. So that's 1 banana. Something to wipe my hands. Banana number 2. They are very, very ripe. I hope everyone is doing very well today. Prayed up, trusting in God. You can't do no better than that. And pray one for another. This is the third banana. And here's the fourth banana. Okay. Now we're going to, hold on. Okay, we're going to mash these. See how easy it mash when you push them in the peel? Okay. You will use 1/3 cup of plain whole Greek yogurt. And here is the yogurt. Put that in there. And this is 1/3 cup. Two eggs at room temperature. One, two, and you will need 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, melted. 1/4 cup. My butter is salted, so that is why I did not put in the kosher salt. So we're going to mix all of this together. Oh, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Can't forget that. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we want to mix this all together, mixing these eggs up real good in here. Now, like I said before, with this bread, or with a lot of bread recipes, you don't need a mixer, because all you're doing is mixing it together, well blended together, and let it get wet. Now this mixture will be thick. Okay. Now we have the dry ingredients, and you also can put in this 1/2 cup of raisins and 1/2 cup of pecans. Now, let's mix it all together. My oven is already preheated at 350 degrees. And we want to mix this up good. Make sure it's well. You can use a whisk, a spoon, a spatula, or whatever you want to use. Now I'm going to put in the raisins and the pecans. It's going to be a little thick now. That's the way it's supposed to be, because you don't want to overbeat it. You just want it to be moist. And now our pan, I'm going to spray it. And we are ready to put the mixture in the pan. After this bread cooks for 20 minutes, you can put a piece of foil on top of it so it won't get real dark. And you also can take a half a cup of nuts and put on top of it. I think I'm going to do 2 pans because this is smaller. I did the 2 pans. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for 50 minutes. But remember, after 20 minutes to check it. And if it's browning, to put a piece of foil over it so you can slow down the browning. And I'll be back when the bread is done. The banana bread is out of the oven. It cooked for about 55 minutes. And make sure when you get it out of the oven, you put it on a cooling rack for 10 minutes. And you can leave it into an airtight container up to 3 days. Now this bread is still very warm, so I'm gonna cut a slice so you can see how it looks on the inside. Oh, I cut a big slice. There it is. Doesn't that look good? Fresh, homemade banana bread. Thanks everyone for stopping by and watching today. And please let me know if you try out this banana bread recipe. Have a blessed and prosperous day. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more because you are His masterpiece. Be blessed.
Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous.